कैसे हैं आप लोग? I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Coding by Fun and चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So today's topic is in string data structure and the question is anagram. So let's move to the example. Like this is the two string we have to take as an input, and one input is Geeksforgeeks and other one is 4Geeks, right? So we have to print yes without quotes if the two strings are anagram. And what is the definition of anagram? Let's see first. An anagram of a string is another string that contains same characters, only the order of characters can be different. For example, act, ACT and TAC are anagram of each other. So characters should be same in both the strings, and maybe their order may be different, right? So first of all, how can I do this question? So the first thing that comes in my mind is I can sort both the string and can equate it, and also I can do with hashing. I can maintain now the frequencies of each character, and if frequency of each character is 2, then it's true, yes, and the output will be yes. Otherwise you can sort this string, the other string, and you can compare it. Like if s1 is equals to s2 after sorting, then it will be the output will be yes. But sorting takes order of n log n, so I don't want to take any risk because it may give some error like time limit exit. So I'm going with the order of n time complexity. So how to solve in order of n? So if characters of both the strings are same, then we have to print yes, right? So what comes in my mind, that if the ASCII value of each character, if I add all the ASCII value of characters for this string and all the ASCII value of characters in this string, and if I will equate both the sum of both the strings ASCII value, then if it is same, then I will print yes, otherwise no. That's all. If there will be any character that is not in another string, then the ASCII value will be different, right? So let's first take T for the test cases, right? Make a while loop for all the test cases and take string as an input, string s1 comma s2, right? Cin s2. Also I am defining the sum1 equals to 0 and sum2 equals to 0 initially. Now for I equal to 0 to I less than s1 dot size I plus plus, just do sum1 plus equals to int of, that is we have to typecast the character because it's a character and we have to count the ASCII value, or we have to find the sum of ASCII value and it's an integer. So this is the typecasting I'm doing here, and s1 of I. That's all. And similarly for s2, so just I'm copying all this and change it s1 to s2. Similarly here and also, right? Let's compare both the sum. If sum1 is equals to sum2, then cout 1, else cout 0, right? And at the end, just end of the line. So let's compile it and check. So sum2 was not declared in this scope. So where is the mistake? Yes, here there should be a comma. Let's compile it. So it's 1 and 0 in yes and, but we have to print yes and no. So just convert it to yes and let's submit it. So yes, our code got accepted and we have completed the string data structures question of anagram. And guys, if you like this video, you can share with your friends and also click on the bell icon so that मेरी next video का आपको notification मिल जाएगा. यदि आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं फॉर मोर वीडियोस, और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए क्वेश्चन के साथ। बाय बाय।